What's up, everybody? Happy Thursday. So, just looking for something I need for later. There we go. Tonight I'm doing a quick salmon weeknight, one dish, something pretty easy. So I'm going to do a spicy salmon tonight. It's called Firecracker Salmon. So I got about a 6-ounce piece right here. So to start, you're going to need a couple of the spicy ingredients. About a tablespoon of olive oil, about equal parts, 1 tablespoon of your favorite hot sauce, whatever that brand may be, and about equal parts sriracha. And then we're going to do a little bit of, kind of balance it out, a little bit of the low sodium soy sauce. That's kind of hard to say. A little bit of that. For the dry spices, I'm going to do about a teaspoon of both smoked paprika and roasted garlic powder. And this is optional. I got this chili lime spice, so a little bit of citrus in there as well. So I would let this marinate like minimum an hour, but if you can do more in that 2 to 3 range, that would be best. So you just want to whisk it up and just kind of eyeball it. That's a little thick still. So kind of like when you're doing pesto. Just want to add some more oil to kind of get it to the right consistency. So then I'm going to use the you know what? This is too big for the bag. So I'm just going to dredge it instead. So just submerge the fish in there, give it a flip, make sure it all gets in there, all coated really well, and then you can tell some people, like when you're working out or running, you just don't have your sharp days. I'm clearly not sharp today. I'm all over the place. But the good thing is, it'll taste good when we're done. So we're just going to cover this with some plastic wrap and put this in the fridge for, hour and a half, 2 hours. Let those flavors marry. So what we're going to do when it's time is give it a sear in the skillet and then finish it off in the oven with some asparagus. So again, not quite sharp tonight, but no matter. It'll taste good in the end. We'll be back. Alright, so we're back and we're ready to cook the fish that's been marinating for a couple hours. So what I would do is get your oven at anywhere from 370 to 385 and make sure it's preheated before you put this on the skillet. So I got this at a medium high. So I'm going to sear it for 3 minutes on each side, and then I'm going to throw it in the oven for about 10 minutes with the asparagus for the oven. So that's all that we're doing. one's pretty easy. One skillet meal, easy cleanup. So for the asparagus, you might want to do just a little bit salt, pepper, maybe some garlic. The pan's got olive oil, but the marinade kind of goes into the asparagus, so you shouldn't need too much. That's it. Stay tuned. We'll be back. Alright, so we're back. So this is ready. So I like this. One skillet, no pots, no pans, pretty simple. So you can see getting that start on the stovetop. We got a nice char on that fish. So this will be really good. And we didn't really over season the asparagus because as the fish cooks, all that marinade kind of absorbs into the veggies. So got a nice piece of fish. And veggies. Very simple. That's all there is to it. So that's our Firecracker Salmon with some asparagus. So good weeknight meal, 30 minutes max, and minimal cleanup, which is always good during the week. So everybody be good. Depending on how things go, if I can ever find what I'm looking for, we'll get back in that crock pot one of these days. Alright, be good. Peace.